Currently, we have different channels where our supplier submits their invoices. They submit via email, through courier, or actual submission to our office. To enhance our supplier's invoicing channel, we are introducing our digital invoice register platform. This will be our main source of all suppliers' invoices that will be handled automatically by our document management system to be processed by our invoice processing team. To begin the process, let's go to the digital invoice register platform. To formally begin with, let us send a new invoice. Click I'm not a robot checkbox. If a CAPTCHA image appears, accomplish the needed requirement. Then, click Submit button. We can now send a new invoice. Let's move on to the next step, which is filling out the general information. You can start by entering the email address where we can send you the confirmation once you've submitted your invoice. After, select company where you will bill the invoice. Next, you need to enter the supplier name indicated on the invoice. For the transaction type, choose non-PO labor. Now, for the invoice details, let's fill out the following. To proceed, select the document type that you are submitting. For example, you are submitting a billing statement. Next, input the billing statement number. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, followed by the invoice amount and description. In this scenario, let's say you are billing for the payroll of your personnel from our feed mill 1. Once completed, attach the billing statement only. If your file is an image or not in PDF format, click this link to convert it to PDF format. For the non-PO details, let's fill out the following. For the covered period, indicate the period you are billing for. Example, in this scenario, let's put May 1 to 31, 2023. Next, select the nature of expense. In this scenario, let's choose payroll. For the expense details, you need to download the template provided and must fill in the required information. Once done, upload the completed template. In case there are supporting documents attached to the invoice package, you can upload them also. Take note that it will only accept up to 5 files only. One file may contain multiple pages. Lastly, enter the valid email address of your Pilmico's contact person whom you transacted with. This person will verify and approve or disapprove your billing. If approved, you will receive an email notification that your billing has been approved, and this will be sent to our accounts payable document management team for further validation and processing. Finally, you are ready to submit the invoice. If everything has been filled out, you can now confirm the entries, then your invoice will be successfully submitted. If the Pilmico contact person is not an existing employee, an error message will appear. Make sure you have the correct email address of the Pilmico person you are transacting with. Once confirmed, kindly wait for the confirmation in your email containing the approval details. Please note that you cannot forward nor reply to the original email. It is a system-generated email and is not monitored for replies. For inquiries, you may send your email to the Pilmico's contact person or you may reach out to our supplier help desk. If your billing was approved, an email notification will be received with an additional remarks from the approver. DMS reference number will be sent out separately from pilmico.errorinvoice@aboitis.com.